I'm a towering figure of creativity.
And put your pencil flat so it won't stab you. Put your pencil flat.
Yeah, so we have an art assembly today with Mark Kistler. He's here to teach the kids how to draw, get them excited about drawing, let everybody know that they're an artist.
Raise your hand if you like to draw. Yes. Raise your hand if you love to draw.
It's really nostalgic for me because as a kid I grew up watching him on TV, and now here he is at Cypress, and we're really excited to have him here, and the kids are really enjoying it.
Look at my huge group, thousands and thousands.
You know, I'm really lucky because I've been doing these programs for over 40 years, been able to teach drawing at schools, and I've been able to do a lot of public television shows teaching the world how to draw. I still love it. I'm very lucky. I still love it, love it, love it. It's my happy zone when I'm here.
I am an artist and a cartoonist. I'm a teacher and I'm a grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa.
I'm a little bit slower, you know. I used to be able to do, 2-3 schools a day, but now I can do one school and I take a nap.
Someone say possibilities.
So maybe you have a real interest in drawing. Maybe you want to draw for your job. Now, even if you don't become an artist for your career, drawing is going to help you be more creative. Take your time and go, oh yeah. See, you have to be creative. Anything you do in life, you got to be creative to solve problems and communicate. Someone say, oh yeah. Hold up your drawing. Let me see, show me. Let me see. You guys got your shadow? Excellent. All right, put them down. What I would say to anybody who's watching this is you got to do what you love so you can be, a million years old like me and still be working, still be doing it.
Did you know your principal back here, Mr. Cool Guy, he used to draw with me when I was on television here when he was your age. Did you guys know that? Mr. Principal's known me for over 800 years. Yeah. Come here, both of you girls. Here they come, the artist of the world. These are great, you guys. Wow. Smile. Smile for the world. Someone say, ooh la la. Take your pencil one more time. Somebody say, draw, draw, draw.
Oh yeah, drawing is really important because it really opens up the possibilities. It really opens up the idea that use your imagination to live life. Creativity is really important for communication, for problem solving, and drawing is fun.
I know what we'll draw. Marshmallow. Oh yeah.